Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna unbox this new Vivo V40e smartphone. So let's unbox this. Here you will see the Vivo branding over here, and at the top, here it is Vivo 10 years Vivo branding. At the back, you will see some specification over there, like made in India, and 8 GB RAM, and ROM is 128 GB. And I have ordered this in color mint green. So let's unbox this. Here it is, the smartphone. You will see. Let's keep it aside and check what is in the box. Here it is, the tray, and you will see a protective case over there. You will see its quality is very good. It is a rubber material. It prevents scratches. You will see, and you will see a quick start guide and a warranty card in this, and a 80 volt of fast charging adapter. It is provided by the Vivo only. You can see flash charge, and you will see here it is a USB to Type C charging cable and a SIM tool. So let's keep it inside and check what is in the box. And just put the tray and unwrap the smartphone. Friends, you will see the design and build quality. It is very glossy at the back, and it not have enough weight. You will see the texture over here in the green. It is very sleek smartphone. At the side here are the volume rocker up and down button, power on off button, and at the back you will see one speaker, Type C charging port, and a SIM tool tray, and at the top you will see a mic. Let's open it. And talking about its display size is 6.77-inch AMOLED immersive display, enhanced viewing experience. And talking about its camera is 50 megapixel of back camera plus 8 megapixel camera that provide DSL like pictures and great zoom also. Front camera is 50 megapixel, attractive selfies with clear and sharp colors. Let's open it, and you will see how smooth it is working. You can play any game you want. It is a 120 hertz of refresh rate in it. You can see it in the settings also. Just you have to write here refresh rate here, click on it, and you will see 120 hertz of refresh rate you can use. But it also increases system power consumptions also. It is very smooth in working. Let's check its camera quality. I have taken some pictures. You can see it is a low lighting picture, and shadows is also you can see. And you will see here it is the front camera photo. It is very clear, and the brightness is very good in it. You can zoom till the last. It is in the full screen, and here are very small badges, thin badges over there, and you can zoom. It will not be blurry when you just zoom it. Let's check its video resolution. So you can record your video in 4K at 30 fps. That is good part of it. And it has micro movie and other features like Pano, Ultra HD document, slow motion, time lapse, super moon pro, dual view, and live photos. And you will see night mode is also there. Let's check its video quality. So first you have to open your video, then you have to write here video 4K. Just click on it. and let's increase the brightness, and you will see the colors and the contrast is very good. And you will see the highest quality. Let's click on advanced. Here it gives 2160 pixel at 60 fps plus HDR. In that setting you can watch it. Friends, let's check its speaker quality. So first just write here NHCS songs and I play it. Friends, you can see its speaker quality is very good. It is a very deep bass sound. You can see it. And let's check its processor and other settings in the about phone. You have to click on settings, then click on about phone. Here it is the processor. You can see 2.5 gigahertz of Dimensity 7300 octa core, that is the processor, and it is a 8 GB RAM and 8 GB is extendable. It gives 16 GB, and its phone storage is 128 and Android version is 14. If you like this smartphone, you can buy it. I have given the link in the description. You can check it out there. I hope you like this unboxing video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.